Here are some subtraction facts, children. So now let us know what are they. Now, first one is when 0 is subtracted from any number. When 0 is subtracted from any number, the difference will be the number itself. The difference will be the number itself. ఏ నంబర్లో నుంచి అయినా 0 తీసేస్తే 0 సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేస్తే ఆన్సర్ విల్ బి ద నంబర్ itself. So you can see 24 minus 0 is equal to 24. ఈ నంబరే ఆన్సర్. When 0 is subtracted from any number, the result, the difference is the number itself. Difference అంటే answer. The difference will be the number itself. This is one fact of subtraction. Okay, when 0 is subtracted from any number, the difference will be the number itself. 1 minus 0. When 0 is subtracted from any number, the difference will be the number itself. Number A, number 1. 10 minus 0 is equal to 10. When 0 is subtracted from any number, the result will be, the difference will be the number itself. This is one fact. Okay. Next, there is one more fact. That is, when a number is subtracted from the number itself. ఏదైనా నంబర్ ఆ నంబర్ నుంచే సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ అయితే when a number is subtracted from the number itself, the result, the difference will be 0. That is 35 minus 35, 0. Now 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4. See, 4 is getting subtracted from 4. When number is getting subtracted from the number itself, the result will be 0. 4 minus 4. 4 లో నుంచి 4 తీసి 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the answer? 0. So, when the number is subtracted from the number itself, so the difference will be 0. ఏదైనా నంబర్ ఆ నంబర్ నుంచే సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ అయితే difference will be 0. Okay, understood? These are the two facts, subtractional facts. When 0 is subtracted from any number, the result will be the number itself. This is one fact. ఏదైనా నంబర్లో నుంచి 0 తీసేస్తే డిఫరెన్స్ ఆ నంబరే, ఆన్సర్ కూడా ఆ నంబరే ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, when the number is subtracted from the number itself, the result will be 0. ఏదైనా నంబర్ ఆ నంబర్ నుంచే మైనస్ అయితే ఆన్సర్ 0 ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, దీస్ ఆర్ ద two subtractional facts. Based on these subtractional facts, they gave you exercise in page number 37. In page number they gave you exercise practice coach. In page number 37 they gave you practice coach. A, in page number 37, A, 32 minus 0. What is the answer? 32 minus 0. 32 లో నుంచి 0 తీసేయండి. 0 means nothing. Nothing you will take away. You won't subtract anything. 0 means nothing. There is no number. So, when 0 is subtracted from any number, the result will be, the difference will be the number itself. అంటే 0, ఏ నంబర్లో నుంచైనా 0 తీసేస్తే ఆన్సర్ ఆ నంబరే. దట్ ఈస్ 32. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ A. And next B. 65 minus 65. This number is getting subtracted from the number itself. 65 minus 65. 65 లో నుంచి 65 తీసేసాను. What is the answer? What will be your answer? When the number is getting subtracted from the number itself, the result will be 0. 65 లో నుంచి 65 తీసేసాను. 2 లో నుంచి 2 తీసేసాను. What is the answer? 0. Understood? This is B. And next C. See children, now C, 43 minus blank they gave you. You have to fill this box. 43 minus blank is equal to 0. Answer should be as 0. 0 రావాలంటే what number I have to write here? What is the number should be written here means answer should, I should get answer, I should get difference as 0. I should get difference as 0. So now which number if I subtract from 43 I will get 0. ఏ నంబర్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేస్తే 43 నుంచి 0 వచ్చింది ఆన్సర్. ఏ నంబర్ విచ్ నంబర్ ఐ షుడ్ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్. 2లో నుంచి 2 తీసేస్తే 0 వచ్చింది. ఓకే, సో ఇఫ్ ఐ minus 4 from 4 I will get 0. If I minus 10 from 10 I will get 0. In the same way from 43 which number I should minus to get 0. 0 answer రావాలి. ఏ నంబర్ చేయాలి? What is the fact? When number is subtracted from the number itself we will get 0. ఏదైనా నంబర్ ఆ నంబర్ నుంచే మైనస్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ అయితే 0 వచ్చింది. ఓకే, ఫ్రమ్ ద సేమ్ numbers should be subtracted so that we will get 0. సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ లో ఆన్సర్ 0 ఎప్పుడు వచ్చింది? రెండు సేమ్ నంబర్స్ ఉంటే. ఓకే, so here also you can see 0. I have to get result difference as 0. So which number I should subtract? Same number. If the number gets subtracted from the number itself then I will get 0. So now here in C this blank is 43. Okay, so when we subtract 43 from 43 only we will get 0. 43లో నుంచి 43 తీస్తేనే 0 వచ్చింది. సో సేమ్ నంబర్ I have to subtract. This is answer for C in page number 37. C. Next D. They gave you blank minus 0 is equal to 56. Now the result, that is the difference, should be as 56. What they are minusing? 0. They are subtracting 0. So that the answer should come as 56. Now which here in this blank which number I have to write? See, now I have subtracted 0 from some number so that I have got answer like 56. What is the subtractional fact? See, from 0 is subtracted from any number, the result will be the number itself. When 0 is subtracted from the number, the result will be the number itself. So here also you can observe, when 0 is subtracted from the number, the result will be the number itself. That is same number. 0 ని ఏ నంబర్ నుంచి అయినా సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే ఆన్సర్ కూడా అదే నంబర్ ఉండిద్ది. So that now if I subtract 0 from 56 I will get difference as 56. When I subtract 0 from 56 I will get the answer as 56. Okay, this is D. This is answer for D. Understood, children? So when I subtract 0 from 56 only I will get answer as 56. నాకు ఆన్సర్ 56 రావాలంటే 56లో నుంచే 0 తీస్తేనే then I will get as 56 as difference. Okay, yes, this is answer for D. In the same way next one you try to do it, children. E, F, G, H, I, J in page number 37. Using the subtractional facts only you have to do the remaining problems. One fact is that when 0 is subtracted from any number, ఏ నంబర్ లో నుంచి అయినా 0 తీసేస్తే ఆన్సర్ కూడా అదే నంబర్ అయి ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, the result, the difference will be the number itself. Okay, this is one fact. And when I subtract any number from the number itself we will get 0. ఏ నంబర్ అయినా అదే నంబర్ నుంచి సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ అయితే ఆన్సర్ 0 వచ్చింది. So these are the two facts. This is one fact and this is second fact. So you remember these two facts and based on these two subtractional facts only next problems also you try to do. If not possible then we'll discuss in our next interaction class. In page number 37 you try to write the remaining problems. You try to fill the remaining boxes that using subtractional facts. Okay, children? Yeah. Now there is one more exercise in page number 37, children, that is checking subtraction using addition. Okay, checking subtraction using addition. We'll check the answer whether the result, whether the difference is correct or not. Okay, మనం చేసిన subtraction correct or కాదా అని చెక్ చేసుకోవడానికి this method help us to check whether our subtraction is in correct way or not. Okay, so now this is your numbers, that is 64 minus 14. Now let us do first subtraction. Now let us do the subtraction. 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4, what is the answer? From 4 I am minusing 4, means take out 4, so 0. 6 minus 1, from 6 I am minusing 1, that is 5. So the difference is 5, that is 50. Now I have to check whether my answer is correct or not. నేను రాసిన ఆన్సర్ 50 అనేది కరెక్టా కాదా అని చెక్ చేసుకోవడం ఎలాగా? హౌ టు చెక్ వెదర్ మై మెథడ్ ఈస్ కరెక్ట్ ఆర్ నాట్, వెదర్ మై డిఫరెన్స్ ఈస్ కరెక్ట్ ఆర్ నాట్. So what you have to do, what is this called? In subtraction, the number which we get after doing subtraction is called as difference. So this difference you have to write on the top, that is first place, that is 50. Okay, this difference, see I have put arrow mark, you have to write here 50, that is difference. What difference you got? 50, you write on the top, ones place, tens place, write on the top. Next, this 14 is there, right? You have to write in the same place, in second place only, that is 14. Here you should not do again subtraction, here you have to do addition, that is plus. Okay, that is addition. Now you have to do addition. Okay, difference should be written on the top, and this subtrahend, this is called as subtrahend. In the same second place you have to write and do the addition చేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ subtraction చేయకూడదు, you have to do addition. Okay, now 0 plus 4. Any number when it is added to some number, when 0 is added to any number, the result will be the number itself, 4. 5 plus 1, 5 in the mind, take one finger, 5 after 6. So what is the sum? In addition we will get a sum. What is the sum? 64. Now see whether it is right or wrong. 64, yes, see 64. Both are equal, right? 64. Understood? This is the way how to check subtraction using addition. Checking of subtraction using addition. Okay, the difference whichever you have got, you have to write in the top first place. Okay, you have to write the difference first and then subtrahend. This is difference, you have to write it on top, and then subtrahend in the middle place, that is 14. Here in the same place, here also in the second place, here also in the second place, subtrahend. And then next minute will come to the sum here as answer. You will get minuend as answer. Okay, if this number and this number is both are equal, ikkada okay number వస్తే మీరు చేసిన subtraction correct అని, so then your subtraction is right. Okay, is correct. If these numbers are different, ఇక్కడ ఒక number addition చేసినప్పుడు ఒక number and ఇక్కడ ఒక number ఉంటే then your subtraction is wrong. ఇక్కడ మీరు చేసిన subtraction wrong అని. Okay, so this minuend and sum should be equal, then only your subtraction is correct. ఇక్కడ నంబర్ రెండు ఒకే నంబర్ వస్తేనే మీరు చేసిన సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ కరెక్ట్ అని. ఓకే, డిఫరెన్స్ షుడ్ బి రిటన్ ఆన్ టాప్. చూడండి నాన్న, లాస్ట్ లో ఉండేది ఫస్ట్ కి వెళ్ళాలి. ఓకే, యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ఇన్ ద ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్. డిఫరెన్స్ షుడ్ గో ఆన్ టు ద టాప్, దెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ అడిషన్ ఆఫ్ సబ్ట్రాహెండ్, దట్ ఈస్ సెకండ్ ప్లేస్. సెకండ్ ప్లేస్ లో ఏముంటుంది? సబ్ట్రాహెండ్. సబ్ట్రాహెండ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ అడిషన్, that is 50 plus 14. Then you will get 64 as minuend as sum. ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన నంబరే ఇక్కడ వచ్చింది. ఓకేనా? ఇఫ్ ఇట్ కమ్స్ లైక్ దట్ ఓన్లీ దెన్ యువర్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ ఈస్ కరెక్ట్. ఇక్కడ వేరే నంబర్ ఇక్కడ వేరే నంబర్ ఉంటే రాంగ్, మీరు చేసిన సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ రాంగ్ అని. ఓకే, అండర్స్టూడ్ హౌ టు చెక్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ యూజింగ్ అడిషన్. అంటే నేను చేసిన సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ కరెక్టా కాదా అని అడిషన్ చేసి చూస్తున్నా. ఓకే, అండర్స్టూడ్ హౌ టు డూ. నౌ లెట్ us do some more problems based on this method. In page number 38 they gave you exercise, children. Exercise, that is checking subtraction using addition. Now first they gave you like this, you have to do subtraction. First step is subtraction. Now 4 minus 9, 84 minus 59, that is always you have to do subtraction starting from ones place. 4 minus 9, from 4 you cannot minus 9, from 4 you cannot do minus of 9. So what you have to do here, from 4 you cannot minus 9, so borrow 1. Okay, borrow 1. So cross out this and write 14. Same number, 1 I have borrowed and same number, that is 4. 14. Here cross out this 8 and write 7. Okay, now 14 minus 9. So 9 after 10. Start from 10 and up to 14 you have to count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What is the answer? 5. How many numbers you got? 5. Next, 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5. From 7 you have to minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus. How many are remaining? 2. 1, 2. What is the difference? 25. 25 is the difference. Now check the subtraction using addition. Okay, now this difference, this is difference. Difference has to be written on the top. See, they gave you arrow mark. Follow this arrow mark, children. You have to follow this arrow mark and write. Difference has to be written on top. What is the difference? 25. Understood? Next, this subtrahend has to be written in the second place. 59. Understood? 59. Now you have to do addition. Plus 5 plus 9. 5 in the mind. Take 9 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. You got 14 as answer. 4 here and 1 you have to carry over. 1 carry. Understood? Now 1 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 1 after 2, 3. Again 3 in the mind. Take 5 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sum is 8. See, have you got the same number here? 84. Yes, 84. See, here also 84. Here also 84. We got the same number. Nana cross out chesaka ikkada 7 ikkada 14 undi ani confuse avvadu. Which is the first number? First ఏ number ఉన్నింది? మనం సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేయడానికి క్రాస్ అవుట్ చేసాము. కానీ ఇచ్చింది ఏ నంబర్? 84 కదా. సో here 84, here also 84. So the subtraction whatever we have done is correct. Understood? This is minuend. See, here minuend and here sum is also equal. Understood? So this is the way to check subtraction using addition. ఇక్కడ minuend ఇంకా sum రెండు ఈక్వల్ గా ఉండాలి, ఒకే నంబర్ అయి ఉండాలి. Then only the subtraction is correct, accurate. Okay, understood, children? So this is the way. Follow these arrow marks, children. They gave you arrow marks, so follow these arrow marks and write which number way to write. They gave you arrow marks, so please follow that and write. In page number 38 they gave you exercise, practice coach. Practice coach, okay? Check your subtraction using addition. In page number 38 I have showed you A, problem A. I have showed you A. You please try to do next B, C, D. You try to do next problems B, C, D. And next in page number 38 they gave you word problems, children. Word problems. Word problems means you have to write steps wise. For word problems you should not write simply subtraction okkate rayakoddu. You have to write steps wise and then you have to do subtraction, then you have to write the answer. Okay, they gave you one example. See, they gave you one example. A shopkeeper bought 67 fruit juice packs and sold 45 of them how many juice packs were left with him? So now they are asking you, like shopkeeper bought 67 fruit juice packs. Shopkeeper bought 67 fruit juice packs and sold 45. He sold, అమ్మేశాడు. ఒక షాప్లో షాప్కీపర్ 67 ఫ్రూట్ ప్యాకెట్స్ తెచ్చుకున్నాడు అండ్ ఈ సోల్డ్ 45 ఈ సోల్డ్ ఇట్ అంటే అమ్మేశాడు 45. నౌ హౌ మెనీ జ్యూస్ ప్యాకెట్స్ ఆర్ లెఫ్ట్ విత్ హిమ్? 67 తెచ్చుకున్నాడు, 45 అమ్మేశాడు. ఇంకా తన దగ్గర ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? హౌ మెనీ ఆర్ లెఫ్ట్ విత్ shopkeeper? They're asking you. Okay, so this answer should be written in steps wise. Word problems, always remember children, word problems means you have to write in steps wise. First step, number of fruit juice packs bought. Number of fruit juice packs bought అంటే ఎన్ని ప్యాక్స్ ఫ్రూట్ జ్యూస్ ప్యాక్స్ తెచ్చాడు అని. నంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రూట్ జ్యూస్ ప్యాక్స్ బాట్, హౌ మెనీ? 67. నంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రూట్ జ్యూస్ ప్యాక్స్ సోల్డ్, ఎన్ని అమ్మాడు? సోల్డ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఈజ్ minus 47. మైనస్ మీన్స్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్. నౌ వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్. 67 తెచ్చి 47 ఇచ్చేసాను, ఇంకా ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? హౌ మెనీ ఆర్ దేర్? సో యూ షుడ్ డూ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్. ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి అని అడిగినప్పుడు వాట్ ఐ షుడ్ డూ? సబ్ట్రాక్షన్. ఓకే, సో సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ మీన్స్ మైనస్. హౌ మెనీ ఆర్ లెఫ్ట్ మీన్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్. మైనస్ 45. I bought 67, I sold 45, still how many are there? ఇంకా ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? I have to do subtraction. So that 67 minus 45. You have to do 67 minus 45. Next, number of fruit juice packs left అంటే ఇంకా ఎన్ని ఫ్రూట్ జ్యూస్ ప్యాక్స్ ఉన్నాయి షాప్కీపర్ దగ్గర. So you do subtraction. After doing subtraction, you will get difference as 22. Next step, thus 22 fruit juice packs were left with the shopkeeper. So 4 steps. In 4 steps you have to write this word problem. Okay, next, practice coach. In the same way you have to do this children. Practice coach. A vendor sold 54 mangoes on Monday. Next, and 72 mangoes on Tuesday. How many more mangoes were sold on Tuesday as compared to Monday? This is your question. They gave 3 questions children. I will show you first one how to write the steps. Next, second and third you only have to try to write the steps wise for word problems. Okay, so steps for first question in page number 38 word problems will be like this children. The question is like, a vendor sold 54 mangoes on Monday and 72 mangoes on Tuesday. How many more mangoes were sold on Tuesday as compared to Monday? So first you have to understand the question properly. First, on Monday he has sold 54 mangoes. Okay, on Tuesday 72 mangoes. So on Tuesday how many more mangoes than Monday? How many more mangoes he sold on Tuesday? They're asking you. So understand the question properly and then start writing the answer. That is, for word problems you have to write answer in steps wise children. In your CW you have to write steps wise. First step will be number of mangoes sold on Monday. How many mangoes were sold on Monday? That is 54. Okay, next step, number of mangoes sold on Tuesday. How many mangoes he sold on Tuesday? 72. So now number of mangoes sold more on Tuesday. Tuesday రోజున ఎన్ని ఇంకా ఎక్కువ సెల్ చేశాడు అని అడుగుతున్నారు. They are asking how many more mangoes when compared to Monday, how many more mangoes he sold on Tuesday. So now which is the greater number? 72. So you write 72. Ones place and tens place, write 72. And then you have to minus 54. So that you will get the difference how much more he sold on Tuesday. Okay, so write these steps and then in working column you do this work children. 10 ones place, tens place you have to do. You have to write and then 72 minus 54. You do the subtraction. 72 minus 54. From 2 you cannot minus 4. So borrow 1 and then do subtraction. Okay, do the subtraction and something you will get answer, some difference you will get answer. You will get some difference. So next step, thus you will get difference, right? That difference you have to write here. Thus, you will get difference as 18 children. Thus, 18 more mangoes were sold on Tuesday. Thus, 18 more mangoes were sold on Tuesday. You have to write like this, steps wise. Okay, this is the way to write steps wise subtraction. Here you have to write 18. Understood, children? Yes. Simply without doing work, don't write 18 children. Because I wrote, you also don't write. You do the work. Work in column. Work in column, okay? And then write the answer. Like this only you have to write the steps, word problems in steps wise. Next remaining problems also. They gave you second question and third question. You read the questions properly. Read the questions properly and then write answers in steps wise for these questions. Word problems. Okay children, next they have given you revision station and worksheet also. So all this. So on subtraction only they have given you revision station and worksheet also. If you can try to write all the answers for these children. Revision station and worksheet. So that's all for today children. I hope you all understood our chapter about subtraction. If you have any doubts regarding this chapter, we will meet in our next interaction class and we'll discuss about those. Thank you. Bye.